What do you learn in the Data Science course by Anexas? Data science is what we hear all over the world, but what should you actually learn to become a data science professional? Let us tell you in this video. Before we dig into the course content of data science, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all data science videos. Our data science course syllabus is based on the industry requirements and is updated every year. So let us discuss what you will learn in a data science course in the years 2022 to 2023. Anexas Data Science course is divided into 3 levels. The 3 levels are Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. The basic level of the data science course starts with the introduction to data science and its aspects. At the end of the course, you will be able to prepare data for analysis and performs basic visualization and modeling on data. The course has 13 modules, and the topics are Python, NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Probability, Statistics, Data Preprocessing, Data Visualization, Linear Regression, Multiple Linear Regression, Nonlinear Regression, Clustering, Association Rule Mining. In the intermediate level of data science course, you will learn SQL, NLP, different statistical NLP techniques. This course has 6 modules, and the topics are Classification, Feature Engineering, Ensemble Methods, Database, Introduction to Statistical NLP Techniques, NLP/NLU Delivery. Now in the topmost level, the advanced level, you will learn Neural Networking using TensorFlow and Keras, CNN, and its different parts. This course has 6 modules, and the topics are Neural Networking using TensorFlow and Keras, Working with Images and CNN Building Blocks, CNN Architecture and Transfer Learning, CNNs at Work Semantic Segmentation, Object Detection, CNNs at Work Siamese Network for Metric Learning. Each level is 45 hours long with interactive live online sessions, without clearing hours real-time assignment completion, and industry-based projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all data science videos.